Hindi, ako.
So, 2 months na namin winner yung SPOA. So, paano kami nakagawa ng SPOA? We based it on our own experience. So, kahit na hindi pa kami, nung first time pa lang namin dito sa Lasal, kahit hindi pa kami running, binis namin yung sa experience namin, kung ano yung naranasan namin, kung ano yung nakita namin nung dumating kami dito. So, ina-address namin yun para sa lahat. Pati yung sa batchmate. Tapos, another thing kung saan kami nag-base ng SPOA is yung sa comments ng friends and other batchmates. So, kailangan yung SPOA namin, syempre, nakafocus sa students. So, nag-consult kami ng iba't ibang ng students para malaman namin yung voice nila. Tapos, nung nalaman namin yun, nag-research din kami, nagtanong-tanong din kami. Tapos, nag-come up kami ng SPOA na tutugon sa gustong mangyari ng mga students. Kasi kami, sa Tagal Leaders, we're focused on students, 100% focused on you. So, thank you guys.
Hello, good afternoon. So, the amount of time we've spent on working with the GPOA is countless nights. Countless nights until now. Countless nights. So, how did we came up with our platform? So, basically, tumingin kami doon sa mga problema kinakaharap ng batch natin. And then, so, we get to know the problems, and then we analyze it. And, the problems is not addressed na sa kay ganito, kay kaganyan, kay kaganon, but as a full batch. And then, after knowing what the problems we are facing, gumawa kami, what are the solutions to these problems? So, it's this and that na nakalagay sa plataforma namin. And then, how do we strengthen those platforms? Basically, because of our 5 Ps. The 5 Ps that we are principled, pioneering, progressive, personal, and professional. Okay. And as it was strengthened, binarify lang namin na okay to, let's pursue for this. Kasi nilagay namin yung buo namin dun eh. Kumbaga, yun nga, countless nights, we really work hard. Talagang naisip kami na ano ba yung mga dapat solusyonan? Diba? So that's one major thing. And that's why we are encouraging you na to vote straight as a slate. Kasi alam namin, kasi kaming 4 yung gumawa ng plataforma. So, just like what they said, one missing will slow down the slate. Okay. Tapos, basically, that's it on my part, and I think they would add up to more.
Addition lang, kasi kapag sinabi mong gumagawa ka ng solusyon sa mga problema, solusyon lang yun eh, ito lang yun. Yung GPOA namin, kaya siya naiba, kasi yung inisip namin, yung problema yun, kung yung solusyon doon, pangmatagalan, yung tipong hindi na babalik yung problema. Kapag ginawa namin itong solusyon na to, sisiguraduhin namin, hindi na ito ma-encounter pa uli. Kapag ito, na-implement to, sisiguraduhin namin, long-term na to, kahit wala na tayo, nandito pa rin yung mga projects namin na ini-implement, napapakinabangan pa rin. Doon namin binasa yung GPOA namin.
Added to that, we also base our GPOA in yung mga problems ng ibang batch, yung higher batch, to prevent it from coming to us. Kasi dahil experience ng ilang batch yun, yung mga problems na yun. So binis din namin yung GPOA namin doon para ma-prevent natin at hindi na mangyari. So, tapat, answers yes.
Sandokan stand on that is absolutely no.
So, I'll ask the question again. Are you saying that Filipinos are incompetent voters? This is based on your their take.
Well, I'm not saying that Filipinos are incompetent voters, but some Filipinos are immature regarding to political voting. Because actually, when we see now, popularity is more, mas binoboto nila ang mas popular. I think that, sometimes they see, but what the PAT can do is, that's why we will supply sufficient public information for the community, right? So, basically, we're gonna inform students to educate them, not just inform them, but educate them about issues, especially in 2010 elections and etc. So, I'm not saying they're incompetent, but they're somewhat immaturely politically immature when it comes to voting.
We wouldn't want to compare ourselves with the other party or with anyone else because we have our own kind of training. And as Sandoval leaders, we were trained to be consultative, proactive, and responsive to the needs of the times. Consultative means that we want to know the voice of the students, what they really want, and what they need, so that we can know how to act upon it. And being proactive means that we would have the initiative to act without anyone telling us. And being responsive means that we would have we would have the passion to seek solutions to problems that may arise in the future.
So, meron din kaming values of Santogon, which is valuing individuality. Hindi namin, pinapahalagaan namin yung bawat traits ng isang tao. So, hindi kami ng away or something. Tapos, we value faith and responsibility. Family, of course. Hindi kami nag-iiwanan and wala kaming as in super tight kami sa family. Then, integrity and passion for service. So, all of us have passion for service. Ginagawa namin lahat all out of passion. Lahat ng ginagawa namin is gusto namin. So, gusto namin mag-serve sa mga batch namin. So, ginagawa namin lahat para mabigay or matugunan yung gusto ng batchmates namin. So, yun.
Like what Dong said, we don't know the training of the other party. And what we just said right now are the benefits, no, not the benefits. What we have as leaders, what we can provide the students. We are consultative, proactive, and responsive. That's what we are. We're not saying we're better. We're just saying that's what we have, and that's our edge. Thank you.
So the question was, what is our edge over the other party? Well, basically, we cannot speak for Santogon because we didn't have any training with them. So we were not under them. So basically, what we are proud to offer, what we are very proud of to offer to you is that the platforms Tapat has made. So what we are ready to give to you is Tapat leadership. Thank you.